Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important pairs and instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Monday, 20th of September 2021. Let's begin with the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, where in the previous videos we said that we were waiting for it to break down through level 0.7075 in order to continue to target around level 0.7020, then 0.6950 to continue the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame. And we were also waiting for it to form a new higher low around these levels in order to support the probability of building a new uptrend in the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. Recently, the pair broke down through level 0.7075 and is currently being traded around level 0.7020, which, by breaking down through this level, will support the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame, and will continue to target around level 0.6950 as a primary target in the downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by moving around level 30 near the oversold area, it supports the probability of rebounding upwards off of around the current levels to correct before continuing with the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, which in this case might extend to retest around level 0.7050. That was it for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. In the previous videos we said that the pair has formed an inverted head and shoulders pattern, and we said that by breaking upwards to level 1.2710, it will support the start of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, which will continue to target around level 1.2875, then 1.2950. Recently, the pair broke upwards to level 1.2710 and started an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, which, by holding above this level, it will support the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the targeting of around level 1.2875, then 1.2950 as primary targets in the current uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by moving around level 70 near the overbought area, it supports the probability of rebounding down off of around the current levels to correct before continuing with the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's move on to the silver. As we mentioned in the previous videos, we were waiting for the silver to continue with the downtrend in the daily time frame, and we were waiting for it to target level 23.40, then 22.85 in order to continue with the downtrend. Recently, the silver broke down through level 22.85 and is currently being traded below level 22.35, which, by holding below it, will support the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame, and will then continue to target around level 21.60 as a primary target in the current downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it is currently moving below level 30 inside the oversold area, which supports the probability of rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to correct, which might continue to retest level 22.60 before continuing with the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. That was it for the silver. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.